Alright, guys, let's look at the camera. We have the members of the media also in the audience area to take our official photos. One, two, three, smile! Going down, Hawaii, everybody, use the camera! One more, three, two, one, wave! Congratulations, MMFF Exicom! At maraming salamat din po sa lahat ng ating mga VIPs at mga special guests na kasama ngayong hapon. Congratulations once again to the first 4 official film entries of MMFF 52. We are just getting started. May 4 pa na kukumpleto sa listahan ng mga pelikulang dapat yung abangan sa Metro Manila Film Festival ngayong taon.
Now, my dear, we were just getting started because bigger and brighter surprises are coming your way for MMFF 52. Don't miss our exciting events as we prepare for the biggest celebration in Philippine cinema. Mark your calendars this Christmas. MMFF 52 will be very, very exciting.
MMFF 52 is presented by Playtime Entertainment, and we would like to thank our partners, Complex Media, and Entertainment, City of San Juan, City of Mandaluyong, City of Bacolod, and special thanks to our official venue partner today, Green Hills Mall and Premier Backdrops.
As we wrap up today's special event, we would like to thank our friends from the media, all the fans, and everybody who attended today. Ako po ulit, si Michael Sager. Maraming salamat po.
At ako naman po si Calagarian, be part of history and celebrate Pinoy film artistry. Thank you for having us here on the MMFF 52 kickoff. Mabuhay ang pelikulang Pilipino, mabuhay ang MMFF!
MMFF 52, a new era of Philippine cinema.
The 52nd Metro Manila Film Festival is presented by Playtime Entertainment. Produced by Toplex Media and Entertainment in partnership with the City of San Juan, the City of Mandaluyong, and the City of Bacolod. Special thanks to our official venue partner, GH Mall and Premier Backdrops.